If you're in your 40s or 50s and an extra $500 to $1,000 would make a real difference for you, then this video is just for you. Maybe that money could go toward paying down debt, fully funding your retirement, helping pay for college, or giving you some breathing room in your budget. I'm going to walk you through how midlifers can realistically make this kind of income online. And I'll share with you a proven step-by-step blueprint that I personally am following. And I can do this in just 2 hours a day around my full-time job. Hi, I'm Amy. I'm 50 years old, divorced, and I had to start over financially after my divorce 3 years ago. To a lot of us, an extra $500 to $1,000 is not just fun money. It's the difference between keeping up or falling behind. It's the difference between minimum payments or real progress. It's the difference between maybe someday versus actually booking that trip you've always wanted to take. I'm not here to share a rags to riches story. I'm here to share the beginning of my new life. Right now, I'm following a proven step-by-step blueprint that is helping thousands bring additional income into their families. And by the way, if you're the least bit curious about this blueprint that I'm following, click the first link in the description below called the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It'll take you to a video that will explain everything. Let's talk about the 5 steps you need to make an additional $500 to $1,000 a month. The first step is know your target. If you're targeting somewhere between $500 and $1,000, that number sometimes can feel big. But let's break that down. $500 to $1,000 a day, if you break it down by week, is $100 to $250 per week. And if you break it down further by day, you're looking at $20 to $35 per day. Those numbers seem more realistic. And that's an important shift in your mindset, because sometimes when we see these big numbers, we think that's impossible. But when you break it down by the week or by the month and you see these smaller chunks, then it becomes more realistic and makes it feel like it actually is possible. Step 2 is to pick a high leverage model. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. You could be selling a product and you only make $5 every sale. You're going to need to sell 200 of those to make $1,000. I don't know about you, but that sounds like burnout waiting to happen. So let me give you a different example. You could sell a digital product and make anywhere from $100 to $200 per sale. In that case, you would only need to make 3 to 10 sales a month to hit your $1,000 goal. But what if you followed the same step-by-step proven blueprint that I'm following, where the top product and most popular product is $1,400? That means I only have to make 1 sale a month to hit my $1,000 goal. That sounds very realistic, especially when I'm taught step by step how to market this product, and I only need to do this 2 hours a day. To me, that's working smarter, not harder. And if you are the least bit interested or curious about this blueprint, again, it's the first link in the description below. It'll take you to a video. It'll explain everything. Check it out. See if it's right for you. Now let's talk about step 3, which is learning digital marketing. I promise you that sounds much scarier than it really is. So let's talk about what digital marketing is. Digital marketing is knowing who you're talking to, creating content that speaks to their problems and goals, and pointing them to a solution that pays you. I didn't want to have to figure this out all on my own. That's why I'm following this proven step-by-step blueprint that lays it out like literally step-by-step for me, telling me what to say, how to post, where to post, how to set things up, and how to do all of this in just 2 hours a day. Again, if you're interested, just click the link in the description below. You'll thank me later. Which leads me to step 4, which is the 2 hours a day of planting seeds. For me personally, in this beginning stage, that looks like 30 minutes to an hour of learning from the blueprint, and then anywhere from 60 an hour to hour and a half, depending on what's going on that day, of implementing. And that is doing my income producing activities, which are creating videos, posting on social media, answering emails and questions that you may have, commenting on any comments on my posts or videos. So I do all of that for about an hour to hour and a half each day. Those are my income producing activities. my planting seeds activities. These are small actions that over time will compound. And that's the thing that excites me, right? That I can do these little small actions each day and they're gonna just build on top of each other and snowball and snowball. And while sales in my first month may be small, I don't know, I'm just beginning. So we'll see how it pans out. But I'm a visionary and I'm looking at least a year to 2 years ahead. And it's just like trying to lose weight, right? So you start with just a few steps a day, and then over time you can build up and build up and build up. I ran a marathon when I was 42. I was not a runner. And I can promise you, I didn't start out on day one running all 26.2 miles. I started with a mile. And over the course of 6 months, I built up my endurance, I built up my mileage, and finally, at the end of the 6 months, I finally hit that 26.2 goal, and I ran my first marathon. So I'm looking at this business the same way. It's the small steps that you start with, and over time are going to compound, and you're going to end up running that marathon and crossing the finish line of that income goal that you want to reach. And if your goal is only $500 to $1,000 a month and you're following this blueprint, over time, you're probably going to accomplish that goal and then some. If you do this blueprint, the 2 hours each day, it is very realistic. And there are thousands of people in the community that I'm a part of that are accomplishing that. Which leads me to step 5, and that's just giving it time and adjust as you go. I'm not saying you're going to earn $1,000 your first month. You may or may not, and I may or may not. Time will tell. But what I'm focusing on are those income producing activities, because I know eventually they will work. And if I look at my data, which I can teach you how to do, I will know where to make adjustments and how to make adjustments. The data will tell me. That's the exciting thing about this business. I'm not doing it by myself. I have a very robust, supportive community behind me where I can go and ask questions. It's amazing. And if this is something that interests you, or you just want to find out more if it's a good fit for you, again, click that link in the description below for the Freedom Formula Blueprint. I'm documenting my journey here on YouTube because I want to show you what's possible. And I promise you, when you watch this video, it will inspire you regardless of whether you choose to do this or not. It will get your wheels spinning, and it will help you see that we can, as midlifers, make money online. And that excites me. And I personally, I want to be a cheerleader of hope for all of us midlifers out there that are behind on retirement, that are having to pay for our kids' college, or you want to pay, or you want to go on that vacation that you've always wanted to go on, and you want to do it now in the prime of your life, where you can actually enjoy it. So I have a lot of reasons why I want to do this business. And if you're curious about my why, watch my first video where I explain why I'm starting this business. I'll see you in the next one.